Here we go, super fast explanation of Euclidean division through Python recursion in regard to the GCD. First thing to remember is you have a Python modulo. In this case, what we have is the dividend is smaller than the divisor, which in this case, the modulo will return back the dividend. 36 modulo 171 returns back 36. For those not familiar, the modulo will always return the remainder. So now what ends up happening is we have 36. Now think at the position of the function. So when it gets called again, 36 is now in position B. B is still 171, but B is now returned to position A. So now you have 171 modulo 36, return the remainder of 27, and so on and so forth, until B eventually equals 0, right here, which then automatically returns A. Kind of a tough concept to grasp, but I hope you got it. Ralph signing off, and I hope you find this of use. Guys, catch you in a bit. Bye.